on the day of International Yoga Day celebration at university in campus. Before that, you are supposed to know some of the exercise, either sitting or standing exercise. Then 14th onwards, there will be regular classes for all the students. We are engaging on teacher, yoga teacher. All the students, they are supposed to join the classes. We will inform well in advance what is the timings. Then we can go for the practices, yogasana classes. Then it will be helpful for your fitness and health purpose. In this regard, I request to Suprabha Madam, just you can go for the detailed exercise today's classes. After that, you are supposed to go for regular practice, either morning or evening, at least a 45 to 1 hour. Then only you will get good fitness. Suprabha Madam?
Sir?
Just carry on,
yes,
just to go for first general conditions. Then sitting asana, standing asana, they can go for repeat 3 or 4 times, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Within prescribed time.
Okay.
Students,
okay.
all the
so
students just listen carefully. Then you shall go for practice also.
See, all these students, I will just talk to you for 1 or 2 minutes. Now, if we start doing the yogasanas, simple asanas will be there. At least minimum 19 to 20 asanas are there other than the pranayama. In 19 to 20 asanas will be performed during the International Day of Yoga all over the world. There are a prescribed set of asanas which has been prescribed by the Ayush Ministry. Okay, Ayurveda and Yoga Health Sciences Ministry it has been prescribed. So what we will do is 20 asanas are very, very simple. Standing and sitting jasti idave, prone position and supine position kammi idave. So what we have to do is we have 2 classes. There is another training class which will be held last week before the yoga day. So you get 2 classes, 2 classes, at least we will try to cover 15 plus asanas. Okay, 15 to 16 asanas we must be able to do. Very, very simple asanas. So what we will do, I will not waste time explaining each asana. I will share you the slides. I will share the slides with your CR, and some of the advantages I will tell you in just 30 seconds and leave it off. Okay. So first one more sati, every asana we will do it for 3 to 4 times. The first time I will demonstrate and show. The other 3 times you will be doing along with us. Okay. It will be simple asana. Dayavitu helkottidana bega nodkondu grasp madkondu you start doing. First, for 2 to 3 minutes, we will do warm-up exercises. Okay. So I will share the screen with you. These are just what all asanas we will be doing, and this is just one handout to you. So, okay, these are general warm-up exercises. Slide kansata ellarigu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will start doing faster so that we will cover at least 10 asanas today. Okay, so can you see me now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nodi admit ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, students ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. It is okay. So first what we will do, we will start with neck exercise. I'll slide al kanisate general warm up exercises before doing yogasana. Okay, so that you stretch your body and warm your muscles. So neck exercise is up and down. Every movement do it for 3 to 4 times. That is enough. Up and down. Please do it along with me. Ellaru nan jotege maadi. Left and right. Left and right. Semicircle downward. Semicircle downward. Biresh ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ. Semicircle downward. Semicircle upward. Wrist up and down. Wrist up and down. Wrist up and down. Side to side. Elbow rotation forward 3 times and backward 3 times. Elbow rotation forward 3 times and backward 3 times. ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಮಂತ forward 3 times, and backward 3 times. You can do it with single arm or both the arms. 3 times. Okay? So slowly lift your right hand up and bend towards your left hand side. Change, lift your left hand up, bend towards your left hand side, right hand side. Okay, do it two times each side. Okay, relax. Now start doing hip rotation, hip rotation, hip rotation. Hemanta madbeku, hip rotation. Yes, hip rotation. 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Okay, very good. Feet apart, feet apart. Kaal agla madi, feet apart, maximum. Try to touch your forehead to the left side of your leg, left leg. Okay, to the left leg. Try to touch. Come back. Again, try to touch your forehead to the right knee. Okay, up. Close your feet two times each side. Okay, close your feet and bend down. Touch your forehead to the knee. Just stretch your body. Okay. Okay, change. Lift your knee, left knee up and get it to your chest level. Look straight. Hold it there. Change. Lift your right knee. Down. Hold your ankle. Hold your ankle behind and pull it towards your hip. Stretch your quadricep muscle. ನಿಮ್ಮ thigh muscle na stretch ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಮಂತ್, ಹೇಮಂತ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Current auto. Okay. Okay, can you see the video?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So relax, relax, relax. Ankle rotation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Ankle rotation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. So lift your right leg up and rotate ಮಾಡಿ. Your right ankle. You can see the video what I am doing. Ankle na left, anti-clockwise and clockwise. Okay. Change the leg. Change the leg. Yes. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. So relax. Now we'll start doing. See, we have done neck exercises, shoulder movements, trunk movements, and knee movements. Okay. These are general warm-up exercises which are needed for Yogasana. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, we will start with Tadasana. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಲೈಡು? Tadasana. Okay, this is the shape of a mountain. This is the shape of a mountain. Your body will be stretched from the region of your toe up to the region of your fingers. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳವರೆಗೂ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This helps in correction of posture. ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಗ್ತೀರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Shape to the body. It gives a very good shape to the body. Stability to the body. Stable ಆಗಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It relieves congestion in the spinal nerves. ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನರಗಳೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಕಂಜೆಷನ್ ನ ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I will do once and show, then you can follow me, and then we will do 3 times. Okay, now please look at me. So here the thing is, we have to interlock our fingers. Okay, so if you can't see me, just listen to me. So we have to stand in the attention position. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಷ್ಟು ಅಗಲ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Attention position. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಗಲ ಇರಬೇಕು. Hands beside your thighs. So when I say inhale, what I will be doing is, I will lift my hand up while inhaling. I will breathe in and I will lift my hand up. Along with my hands, I will be lifting my heel. And the ಹಿಂಬಡಿಗಳನ್ನ I will have lifted and I will interlock my hands. My fingers will be interlocked and I will look straight and hold there for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂಬಡಿ ಎತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ fingers have to be interlocked. Look straight. Okay. While coming down, I will exhale and come back slowly. While coming back, I will keep my heel also down. Okay. See here, what will happen is, just listen to me. While lifting my hands, I will lift my heel up and I will stretch my body up. While stretching my body, I will interlock my fingers and hold it there and stretch it on top. Okay. So this I will be doing it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now kindly all of you, please listen to the instruction and do the asana. We all will do. All of you attention.
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you attention position.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So feet apart, shoulder width to feet apart. ಬೇಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನದ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೀತಮ್, ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಅನುಷಾ. Okay. So stand up. Ready? Inhale. Lift both your hands up. While inhaling, lift both your hands up. And all of you, please do inhale and lift your body up. Stretch your body. All of you stretch your body on top. ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ನನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? All of you.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಬಸಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೀ? ಬಸಲ್ ಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ 0080 9 10. Slowly exhale and come back. Slowly exhale and come back. Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ ಡೌಟ್.
ನೋಡು, ಅವನು ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಕೆಟಲ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಹೇಮಂತ?
ಹಾ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು when I am asking you to do, please do it. ಅಭಿಜಿತ್, ಎಂತದು?
ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ
Ma'am,
okay, got it. Abhigna got it. If possible only, please do. Okay. So all the others, two more times.
Bhaskar, what happens here? Huh?
Ready? All of you
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
Attention position. Attention position. Slowly inhale. Inhale. All of you inhale. Very good. Lift your hand up. Lift your heel up. Heel also. Yes. Stretch your body completely. Look straight. Look straight. Look straight. 5, 6,
Pinya.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
002.
14, 15. Sir,
Come on.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay, no problem.
Abhigna, you can sit down.
Okay.
Whichever asana is possible, only you please do. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All of you come back. Exhale and come back. 2 more times we will repeat. Okay? 2 more times we will repeat. Again, attention position. Attention position, all of you. Okay, listen to my instruction. Slowly inhale. Inhale. Usirna ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ. You have to lift your hand up. Very good. While lifting your hand, lift your heel up also. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆನೆ ಕೈಗಳು ಇಂಟರ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Interlock ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, very good. Hold in that position now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Slowly exhale and come back. While exhaling, usirna ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ, you have to come back to normal position. Okay? You have to come back to normal position. So one more time we will repeat. So 4 times ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸತಿ. Okay? So one more time we will repeat. Afros, switch on your video. Okay. Stand in the attention position. Shoulder width apart. Slowly inhale. Very good. Slowly inhale. Lift your hands up. Lift your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers. And look straight. Look straight. Your heels must be lifted up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhale and come back. Afros, you have to switch on your video and do the Yogasana. Dilip Kumar, Basavaya, Chandan, Keen Victor. Okay, so now you have done Tadasana. Tadasana is a mountain shape asana. So the next asana we will be doing is, we did it for 4 times. Okay, so the next asana we will be doing is Vrikshasana. You can see the screen. You can see the screen. It is the posture of a tree. It is the posture of a tree. One leg mele, you are standing on one leg. The whole body weight is on one leg. Okay, in a namaskara position. So what we will do is, this asana is very good for neuromuscular coordination, your nervous system and your muscular system. It helps in coordinating both. It also helps in balancing. It also helps in balancing and endurance, to do any work for a longer time without having any tiredness or fatigue. It helps in keeping your mind alert. It also helps in concentration. So if you want to do well in your exams, academics, while doing this regularly, it will help you in gaining more marks and concentrating on the subject. Okay, so all of us will do. Just look at the picture. Now I will stop sharing and we will do. I will first do and show, then you can continue. Okay, so first I will be lifting. I will stand in attention. Okay, I will be lifting my right leg, and please watch me doing. I will be lifting my right leg and keeping it at the inner thigh region of left leg. This is my left leg. This is my right leg. What I am doing is, I am lifting my right leg and keeping it, fixing it in the inner thigh region of the left leg. After fixing, I will stand straight and I will slowly inhale. Usirna ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ, I have to lift my both hands up, and 10 to 15 seconds. You can either open your eyes or you can close your eyes. If it is difficult while closing, please open your eyes and hold in that position. Okay. So I will hold it for 10 seconds and then I will slowly come back while exhaling. I have to remove my right leg and stand in the attention. So the same thing is with you also. You will stand in the attention position, shoulder width apart. You will lift your right leg and keep it on the left leg inner thigh region. Slowly you will lift your right hand, both the hands. You will, while inhaling, you will make a namaskara. You will hold there for 10 seconds and slowly come back while exhaling and remove your right leg. Okay, let's all of us do. Ellaru madana? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer bartilla. Yes or no?
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿಆರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
Boys and girls, Divyashri, Hema, Gautami, Adarsh, what are you doing? Answer.
ಅವ್ರ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್.
Yes, ma'am.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನ ನಾನು? Okay, all of you clap 10 times. Clap fast. Gautami, clap. Adarsh, clap. Faster. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Very good. Okay, Indranil, you did not clap. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Thank you. So we will stand in attention position now.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ?
Okay, attention position. Now you have to lift your right leg and keep it at the inner thigh region of left leg. Eddeli ellaru get up. Gavi Siddesh video off agide. Okay, get up. Lift. Okay, slowly lift your right leg up. Fix it at the left leg, inner thigh region of the left leg. Yes, very good. Slowly, do it slowly. Concentrate while doing. Okay, now inhale. Slow. Nimkaili aagtilla andre you can take a support of the wall or a chair. If you can't do it, take support of the wall or the chair. Okay. So lift your hands up. Make a namaskara over there. Very good. So hold there for 10 to 15 seconds only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Panusha, good. Trying good. 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Careful. Chandrika, careful. 16, 17, 18. Bhavana, Gopal, you are not doing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slowly exhale. Usruna horag bidta. You have to remove your leg from the thigh and you should get it down. Afros, over, ho gaya. Remove your right leg. Okay. Afros, you can take out your leg. Okay. So one more time, all of you attention position, shoulder width apart, feet shoulder width apart, attention. Now lift your left leg and keep it at the inner thigh region of the right leg. Lift your left leg, all of you. Lift your left leg. Yes, very good. Likita, come on. Lift your left leg. Fix it at the right leg thigh. And slowly inhale. Usrna ಒಳಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ. Lift your hands up. Make a namaskara. And hold there. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Try. 4, 5, 6. Govardhan ಕಾಲ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. 13. Good. Basvenappa, good. 14. Try ಮಾಡಿ. 16. Diksha, where is your video? Okay. Slowly exhale. While exhaling, leave your hands down. Indranil, you should do it very slowly and take out your left leg. Okay. So we have done 2 times. We will do 2 more times. Only 2 more times. Ready? Relax, Madi. When I say relax, just shake your hands and legs so that you will be relaxed. Yogasana maduvaga madhya resting asana madbeku, but we don't have time. That is why we are rushing up. Okay. Ready? Okay. Once more. Attention position. Attention position. Shoulder width apart, feet. Lift your right leg and keep it at the left leg thigh region. Lift your right leg and keep it at the left leg thigh region. And slowly inhale. Usruna olak tagolta. Lift both your hands up and make a namaskara. And make a namaskara. Very good. Please hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slowly come back. Take out your right leg and keep it down. Okay. So we will do once more with the other leg. 4 times agatava. Okay. So ready? Attention. Just 1 minute. Abhigna. Abhigna. So you can do any exercise which doctor has prescribed at this time so that you will not be wasting your time. Okay. If you want, you can switch on your video and do any exercise what doctor has told you. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So all the others ready? Attention. Attention.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So lift your right leg and keep it at the left leg. Innondu avag madidrದು ulta opposite. All of you lift your legs. Hold it there. Very good. Now slowly inhale and make a namaskara. Make a namaskara. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Slowly exhale and come back. Slowly exhale and come back. Okay. Very good. Very good. All of you are doing well. So salpa practice bekashte because this is the first class. So you have done Vrikshasana. Now you will be doing Pada Hastasana. Pada Hastasana means Pada andre nim kalugalu, your feet. Okay. And Hasta is your palm. So in this asana, you have to bend down and try to touch your palm to your feet. Next to your feet. See the picture. You can understand by looking at the picture. You have to take your palm and try to touch the palm to the floor next to the feet. Keep your knees tight. Nimma mandigalna tight agi itkobeku. Okay, this is the technique there. Then the other thing is, it increases spine flexibility. Nimma sontadalli flexibility na increase ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ backbone ಗೆ spine flexibility and digestion. It helps in digestion and it helps in tackling menstrual problem for women and it helps in relieving constipation. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ if you have constipation. So it will help in relieving constipation. Okay. So what we will do? We will do this exercise, but while doing it, you should not bend your knees. Okay. Just listen to me. Watch me once. What I will do? Attention position. I will stand. Slowly I will inhale. Usrna olak tagolta. I will lift my hand up and then I will tuck my stomach inside. I should keep it inside. Okay. Pulling it inside. I will go down. I will go down and try to touch the floor. Keeping the knees straight. Bend my head. And wait there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhale and come back. Okay. So this is the asana. While going down, You, while bending down, you should pull your stomach inside. All of you ready? Ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So attention position. Attention position. Shoulder width apart irbeku. Kaalgalu tumba close irbardu. Salpa wide irbeku. Okay. Now start inhaling and lift your hand up. Inhale. Lift your hands up. Very good. Very good. Slowly come down. While coming down, you have to pull your stomach inside. Go down slowly. Very good. Very good. Ankita, good. Chandana, good. Divyashri, good. All of you, good. Abhigna, good. Very good, Abhigna. Okay, slowly go down. Try to touch the floor. Keep your hands next to the feet. Nodi, yoga dalli you should not do jerks. Slowly you should do. Anika, madbeku. Very good. Come on, come on. 3, 4. Chandana, madi. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Mandi bend ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. 14 and 15. Slowly exhale and come back. Preetan, good. Exhale and come back ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೀತನ್. Okay. So we will do once again. Relax, relax. Ready? Attention position. Attention position. Slowly inhale. Inhale. Lift your hand up. Pull your stomach inside and go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Hold it there. Hold in that position. Put your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Slowly come up. In exhale and come up. Arun, jerk ಮಾಡಬಾರದು Arun. ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ. See Arun, what you are doing is you are doing like this. Don't do like this. Once you go down, you should stay there. Okay, Arun? Okay, Arun? Okay. So, once more. All of you, once more. Attention
Okay, ma'am.
position.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Attention position. Ready. Slowly inhale. Inhale. Very good. Ananya, good. Slowly inhale and go down. Pull your stomach inside and go down and try to touch the floor next to your feet. Very good. All of you are doing very, very well. Very good. Okay, good, good. Veeresh, bend madi, tale kelagaki. Devendra, video on illa. Bhuvana, good. Put your head down. Okay, slowly exhale and come back. Good. Okay. So the next asana we will be doing is Trikonasana, I think so. Just a minute, I will see the... Okay, so sorry, next we will be doing is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, can you see the picture? Ellarnu ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ slide?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, Ardha Kati Chakrasanadalli ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ variations ಇದೆ. The first one is holding your hands at the back, holding your hand at the back at the waist region and arching your upper back. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ arch ಮಾಡೋದು. This is one position. The other variation is standing straight and bending towards your right hand side with your hands above the ear. Nim kivigal melene barbeku. So first thing we will do is the first exercise, the first variation, okay? That is avanu kaigalna sontad mele itkondu hinde baggidanalla, that asana we will do. So this increases your spine flexibility. Nimma bennu moolegalali flexibility barutte nim spine alli. Then strengthens the neck muscles. Neck will be strengthened because you see lot of phones and laptops and computers. and it helps in breathing capacity, improving breathing capacity, because when you bend, you will be expanding your lungs, and it helps in cervical spondylitis. Kuttiyege one problem barutte, that is called as cervical spondylitis. Okay, so all of us, please look at me. I will show you both the variations one after the other, then we can do both. Okay, so I will stand straight, I will turn towards my side. So I will be holding both the hands at the back. Okay, and so I will slowly bend down, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Slowly exhale and come back to the normal position. So while going back, I will inhale, and while coming back, I will exhale. Okay, this is one variation of Ardhakati Chakrasana. Mundgade bend agbardu, hindgade bend agbeku. Okay, so the second variation is, so attention position. I will inhale and lift my right hand and bend to the left hand side and hold in that position. Illi stretch agbeku. Hold in that position for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Slowly exhale and come back. Itara eradu kaigalali ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Inhale and bend down, stretch your sides of the body and hold there for 15 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, and slowly exhale and come back. Ee asana ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you should be in an attention position. Okay, so all of you, let all of us do first variation. Stand up, Govinda. Stand up, Govinda. Okay, very good. All of you, attention. Now side ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, but ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ. Okay, while bending back, please be careful. All of you, attention. Hold your hands at the back. Support ಕೊಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೊಂಟದ ಹತ್ರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಬೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಬೋ ಆಚೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಬೋ ಒಳಗಿಡಿ. Do not keep it out, keep it inside. Okay, slowly bend back while inhaling. ಉಸಿರನ್ನ ಒಳಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂದೆ ಆರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. All of you, please arch. Very good. Arch, arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Slowly exhale and come back. Exhale ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವಾಪಸ್ normal position ಗೆ please come back. Please be careful while doing this asana. Bhaskar, Usharo, do not fall down. Okay, so again, second time we will repeat the same variation. Attention position. Okay, keep your hands at the back, support your waist, support kodi waist ge, elbow ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, slowly inhale and bend back. Anaga, you have to bend back. Very good. 1, 2, 3, Baswa, very good. 4, 5, Govardhan, bend ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 7, 8, 9, 10, very good. 11, 12, 13, 14. Darshan ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ 15 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ದರ್ಶನ್? Slowly exhale and come back. Exhale and come back. See, while doing yoga, you should not suddenly come back. Okay, you should come back slowly, like how you go, you should come back slowly. Last one more time, we will do the second variation. Okay, the second variation is standing straight. All of you stand straight. While inhaling, lift your right hand. Bend towards your left hand side. Very good. Hold in that position. 1. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬರಬೇಕು. Upon your ears. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9. Chirantana, good. 10, 11, 12, 13. Bhuwana, good. Afro's good. 13, 14, 15, 16. Deepthi, good. Okay, slowly come back. Slowly come back. Exhale ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು attention position ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Okay. Now, second time, left hand. Attention. Attention. Slowly lift your left hand. Left hand up. While inhaling, ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. While inhaling, you have to bend towards your right hand side. Very good. Hold there. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ pain ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that is okay. You are stretching your muscle. 3, 4, 5. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All of you, please do it. Gautami, video anagilla. 16, 17. Agoytu inna 2 counts ashte. Okay. Slowly stop. Exhale and come back. Very good. Very good. Exhale and come back. Okay. So now we have done 2 variations, 2 times. So now the next asana we will be doing is Trikonasana. Trikonasana is a triangle posture asana. Triangle posture asana dalli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to stand straight with your feet wide. You can see the slide. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್?
ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ.
ಓಕೆ. ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಸನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಅಗಲ ಇಡೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಮ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಲು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮೈ, look at the picture and look at me. Okay, I will lift my right hand up. I will inhale and lift my right hand. I will keep it straight from the ears and I will look up. My left hand will be touching the left leg and I will see the sky. I will look at the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Slowly I will exhale and I will come back to this position. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೈ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಫುಟ್ and I will be looking at the sky and I will hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and slowly exhale and come back. After the asana, I will come back to normal position. This is called the Trikonasana or the triangle posture asana. This also helps in spine flexibility. Yalla standing asana will help in spine flexibility improving and it improves your lung capacity. It strengthens your calf muscle. ಮಂಡಿಯಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ calf muscle, ಮಂಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕಿರೋ thigh muscles and waist muscles. It also helps in preventing flat foot. So all of us will do. All of us will do. Shall we do?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ವೈಡನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೈಡನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. All of you. Come on, come on. All of you widen your legs as much as possible. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು. Come on, all of you. Yes. Very good. Hand side, horizontal, horizontal. Very, very good. Very good. Slowly inhale, right hand ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿ. Inhale ಮಾಡ್ತಾ right hand ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆತ್ತಿ, left hand ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Left hand left ಕಾಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. Right hand ಮೇಲೆತ್ತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗಣೇಶ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ಗಿಗೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಗಣೇಶ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸಿ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಮೀ ಗಣೇಶ್. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್. Yes, very good. Look at the sky. Look at the sky, all of you. Hold in that position. Hold in that position. Very good. 7, 8, 9. Go down, Aishwarya. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Slowly exhale and come back. Very good. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫೋಟೋ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೈನ್ ವೈಡನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೈಡನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ 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 ವೈಡನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೈಗಳು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಗೋ ಡೌನ್, ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ and right hand down. The other side. Right hand down, left hand up. Look at the left hand, open your palms, look at the sky. Sky ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಬಸವೇನಪ್ಪ ಕೈ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Very good. Look at your hands. Very good, very good. Devendra, you have not switched on the video. I'll mark you absent. Very good.
No, ma'am, I have switched on, but the front camera is not working.
Okay. Very good, very good. Basalingaya ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, slowly exhale and come back. Very good. Exhale and come back. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಲು ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕೈ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೈ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸತಿ. Okay, so 2 times we will do. Ready? At a widen your legs. Keen Victor, widen your legs please. Okay, slowly lift your right hand up. Right hand up and go down. Ganesh, go down. Chirantana, very good. Govinda, mandi tight irbeku. Govardhan, bend madi, kaigalna touch madi kalatra. Very good. Look at the sky. Arun, terrace alli idya, akasha nodu aramage. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Harshini, look at your hand. 7 8 9 10. Okay, slowly exhale and come up. Slowly exhale and come up. Okay, so last one more side. Lift your hands up and bend towards your left hand side. Avag ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು opposite ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, lift your hand, look at the sky. Come on, Abhigna, come on. Do it how much ever is possible from your side. Don't worry. Slowly you do. Gavi Siddesh, ಮಂಡಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಗವಿ, ನಿನ್ ಕಿವಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಲ್ ಇನ್ನು ಅಗ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಂಡಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮೇಲ್ ನೋಡು, ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Okay, very good Arun, very good Arun. Opposite hands use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ Arun? 9 10 11 12 13 0022 14 15. Okay, slowly exhale and come back. Very good. So next asana we will be doing is sitting asana. All of you please sit down. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಚಾಚಿ. Put your legs straight in the front. Stretch your legs straight in the front. Very good. Govind, correct. Put your legs straight in the front. This is, and keep your hands next to the thigh. Keep your both hands next to the thigh. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತೊಡೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಮೃತ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Okay, look straight. This is called as dandasana. So whatever sitting asana we will do, most of the sitting asana we will be starting from dandasana. Okay, so the first asana we will be doing is bhadrasana. I will just take 5 to 10 minutes. We will finish it off. So bhadrasana, can you see the slide, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bhadrasana andre to sit firmly on the ground. So what it will be helping in is, it will help in keeping the body firm on the ground. It will stabilize your mind. It will help women during pregnancy. It will also relieve abdominal pain, and it will help in menstrual problem for women. So bhadrasana is good for all ages. Okay, so ಇದು ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ you are sitting in dandasana now, right? All of you are sitting in dandasana alva? Your legs are straight, right? Stretch it straight. Okay, so please look at me. I will do Dandasana. I'm sitting in Dandasana with hands next to my thighs. Now what I will do is, I will slowly pull my right leg, and I will again pull my left leg, and I will hold both the hands. I will hold my ankles. Both the ankles. I will hold both the ankles of my leg, and I will sit straight, looking straight forward, and I will try to touch my knee to the ground. I will try to touch my knee to the ground. This is called as Bhadrasana. Sitting straight, trying to touch your knees to the ground. Okay, all of you. You have to hold your both toes. Big toes are there. Yes, very good. Correct. Govind, correct. Okay, all of you. Sit straight. Pull both your legs slowly. Pull both your legs. Hold your big toes. ಹೆಬ್ಬೆಟ್ಟುಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ. ಜರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮಂಡಿನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಎರಡು. ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ನೀನ್ ಚಟಮಟ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಗೆಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೀ ಮೀ ಲಿಖಿತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Get both your legs together. See, no sitting in ಚಟಮಟ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. Open your legs and sit down. Yes. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look straight. Keep your body back straight. Back straight. Baswa, back straight. Yes, good. Gavi, good. Abhijna, try to do. Okay, Anaga, good. Govardhan, back straight. Very good. Innu elkobeku Govardhan kalna. 9, 10. Okay, slowly release your leg forward. Correct, Likita, correct. Slowly release your legs forward and sit down in Dandasana. We will repeat this one more time. Okay, we will repeat this one more time. Okay, all of you, again pull your legs back slowly, one after the other. Ondadmel on tagobeku. Yes, very good. Okay. So hold your toes with your hands. Hold your big toes with your hands. Try to get it closer to your body. Try to touch your knee on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ಮಂಡಿನ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು. Okay. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. And sit in Dandasana. ಕಾಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಚಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this is Bhadrasana. The next one we will be doing is, only 2 more asanas are left for now. In this class we will do only 2 more asanas. Okay. Next asana is Vajrasana. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ Vajrasana. I think ನೀವು ಮಾಡು ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. Okay. Vajrasana is the shape of a diamond. It is the shape of a diamond. Can you see the slide? Can you see the slide? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Vajrasana is the only asana which can be performed even after having food. ಊಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಆಸನನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This asana is good for digestion. This asana strengthens your thigh muscles. ಮಂಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ thigh muscle, ಮಂಡಿಯಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ ಕಾಫ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ರಿಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಆದಾಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ರಿಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಪ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ feet in such a way that it is formed a cup-like structure. Okay, so now what we will do? We will sit in Dandasana. Please look at me. Please look at me. If you can do, you can do along with me. If you can do, please do along with me. No problem. So this is a very simple asana. I am sitting in Dandasana. First left leg na ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ hip ಕೆಳಗಡೆ left leg ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. Under your hips. Okay, then you should sit on one leg. Then again right leg. Bend both the legs and put it inside your below your hip and sit straight and look forward. Okay. See. Look forward. Sit straight and look forward. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ hips ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So hold it in that position. All of you please do this asana. It is easy. 1, 2. Look at me and do this asana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at my leg. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, very good. Slowly come back one after the other. You release your leg, left leg and right leg, and sit again in the Dandasana. Sit again in the Dandasana position. Okay, last one more time we will do this asana. One more time we will do this asana. Again, lift your left leg and keep it under your hips. Very good. All of you, please do this asana. This is a very, very good asana. Right leg under your hip. Again, keep your body straight. Keep your hands on the thighs. Sit straight. While practicing at home, you can close your eyes and sit for some time. 1 minute you can hold in that position. Back straight irbeku yavaglu. Bennu moole straight irbeku. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One after the other. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You should rest in your Dandasana position. Okay. Okay. Relax. ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Shake your legs so that it is free. Please shake your legs. Okay. Now last one asana for today. Last asana for today is Ardha Ustrasana. Half camel pose. Half camel pose. This is very easy. Now that time we did Ardha Kati Chakrasana by holding our back and bending. So the same asana we will be doing from the position of Vajrasana. Vajrasanadalli kootkondo you have to lift your body up. Please watch me doing, so we will not waste time. I am sitting in Vajrasana. I will slowly lift my body up. I will take the help of my hands and I will slowly arch my back. This is called as Ardha Ustrasana. While coming back also you should slowly come back. Exhale and come back. And you should sit in Vajrasana. Okay. This is Ardha Ustrasana. Half camel pose. Ready? Ready all of you? Okay na, madam na. Last asana for the day.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
We will do it 3 times. Please be careful while arching your back. Okay, all of you sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Yes, now slowly come up. From Vajrasana, you should come up in the kneel down position. Arun Madi 0022. Madi. Sit in Vajrasana, yes. Now slowly with the help of your hands, Govardhan, with the help of your hands, you should arch your back. Okay, arch your back, all of you. Arch your back. Good. 1, 2, 3. Govardhan Madi, video ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9. Very good. 10. All of you. Ayaz, good. Chandana, good. Afros, Anika, Gagana, Chaitra, Divika, Baswenappa. All of you are doing well. Gautami, Ananya, 0027. Good. Bhavna, 003946. Very good. Very good. Bhaskar, Akshay, Bhuwana. Okay. Slowly come back. Slowly exhale. All of you good. Aishwarya, Viresh, Bhavani, Akshata, Diksha, Aishwarya, Amrita. Good, good. Okay. Now relax. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. We will do it once more, then we will stop. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Marta irbeku. ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ deep breathe in and deep breathe out has to be done so that you find relaxation in between. Okay, so we will do once more. Sit straight in Vajrasana. Heman, good. 0075, good. Okay, slowly come up for Ardha Ustrasana. Come up, slowly come up. With the help of your hands, bend your back, arch your back. Very good. Bhavani, good. Akshata, Diksha kanastilla video. Very good. Anusha kanastilla, good. All the others are doing well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 13, Chirantana, good. 14, Abhigna, very good. 15. Okay, slowly exhale and come back. While exhaling, please come back and sit down in Dandasana. ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಗವಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಬಸವೇನಪ್ಪ, ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಚಿ. ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ, ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಸರ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 1 hour 15 minutes ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 hour 13 minutes ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸಾಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಆಸನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್
ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್,
all of you
listen here once again. These are asanas you supposed to go for regular practice. Okay, again ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ 14th onwards there will be regular classes up to 1 week.
1 week full ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅದೇ 1 week full ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಟುಮಾರೋ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ. All the students you are supposed to go for one request. Just you can go for each individual person to plantation for the each plant. Any plant, no problem. That is my request. In view of the world environment day, you are supposed to go for plantation for each, either near to your house, either your this one land, whatever it may be. You are supposed to plant. Anything is there?
ಗವಿ, ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕೇಳೋದು? ಗವಿ,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕೈ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೋವಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿನ ಈ ಆಸನಾಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 30 minutes to 1 hour ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಸನಾಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಯು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಡೇ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬೋರಿಂಗ್. ಬರೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಯೋಗಾಸನ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ವೇ. ದೀಪ್ತಿ, ಹರ್ಷಿನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಲಿಖಿತಾ, Govind.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Chinmayi, good. You are doing well. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Totally 84 ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
84. Gavi?
Yes, ma'am. ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್.
84 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಹಾ, ತಗೋ ಕಳ್ಸು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತೆಗ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್? ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ತೆಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್. ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗಿತಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಾ? ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಂಕಿತಾ, ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wake up, wake up. ದಿವಾಕರ್ ಆರಾಮಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ? Okay, good, good.
Yes, ma'am. ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ma'am screenshot.
Okay, thank you all of you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.